The Lamborghini Revuelto, already a fearsome hypercar with its electrifying V12 powertrain and futuristic design, is a statement in the world of performance and luxury. Yet, for Mansory, the renowned German tuning house celebrated for its audacious designs and unparalleled craftsmanship, even the most extreme supercars can be taken to a whole new level. Enter the Mansory Lamborghini Revuelto Initiate, a stunning reimagining of the Revuelto that takes Lamborghini's aggressive aesthetics and performance to dizzying heights. With a combination of sleek carbon fiber styling, performance upgrades, and an interior fit for royalty, the Mansory Initiate is an all-out assault on the senses. Mansory is no stranger to the world of carbon fiber. The German tuning company has made a name for itself by wrapping high-performance vehicles in a stunning web of lightweight, high-tech materials, and the Mansory Initiate is no exception. The base Lamborghini Revuelto, already a work of automotive art, has been transformed into something that's even more bold, more menacing, and, dare we say, even more beautiful. While the underlying structure of the car remains unchanged, Mansory has ramped up the design elements to amplify the Revuelto's already sharp and aggressive lines. The result is a hypercar that looks like it's always on the edge of taking flight. Every inch of the car has been meticulously reworked with carbon fiber, from the vented front hood to the ultra-aero rear diffuser. At the front, a custom carbon fiber hood adds an additional layer of drama while improving airflow and cooling for the engine. Mansory's engineers have also redesigned the front bumper with sharper lines and aggressive extensions that give the car a more powerful presence on the road. The addition of aero-optimized side skirts and integrated vents boosts the car's downforce, keeping it planted at high speeds. The real showstopper, however, is the oversized rear diffuser. This massive component not only improves the car's stability at high speeds by increasing aerodynamic downforce, but it also gives the Revuelto an intimidating rear profile. A special Mansory yellow emblem is proudly displayed on the back, ensuring that everyone knows exactly who's responsible for this stunning transformation. The Mansory Initiate doesn't stop with its dramatic bodywork. To complete the look, Mansory has fitted the car with lightweight FV.10 forged wheels, sized at 21 inches in the front and 22 inches in the rear. These wheels are not only designed for maximum performance but also add to the aggressive aesthetic of the car, paired with ultra-grippy tires, 265/30 ZR21 at the front and 355/25 ZR22 at the rear, to ensure perfect traction on both the street and track. Inside, Mansory continues to demonstrate its unparalleled luxury. The cabin is a showcase of premium leather, suede, and gold stitching, each surface begging to be admired. The dashboard, seats, and door panels have all been reupholstered to create an environment of pure opulence. From the bespoke Mansory insignia on the seats to the overall fit and finish, the interior of the Mansory Initiate exudes exclusivity and craftsmanship that sets it apart from any other luxury supercar. While the Mansory Initiate is a visual masterpiece, it's the performance upgrades that truly push the envelope. Under the hood, the 6.5-liter V12 engine has been tuned to deliver a total of 868 horsepower, a healthy increase of 54 horsepower over the standard Revuelto. Torque has also been bumped up to 760 Nm, providing a further enhancement to acceleration and top-end performance. Mansory's engineers didn't stop there. The combined output of the hybrid powertrain now stands at a blistering 1,055 horsepower. With this boost, the car's 0 to 100 km/h sprint is completed in a mere 2.4 seconds, shaving valuable milliseconds off the already blistering acceleration. The top speed is equally mind-blowing, reaching an impressive 354 km/h, solidifying the Revuelto Initiate's status as one of the fastest hypercars on the planet. With all these upgrades, the Mansory Lamborghini Revuelto Initiate is not a car for the faint of heart. Combining a striking exterior, an exquisitely appointed interior, and performance figures that push the limits of physics, the Mansory Initiate is a car built for those who want it all and then some. While the exact price is not publicly disclosed, considering the extensive use of carbon fiber, bespoke upgrades, and the level of performance enhancements, it's safe to say that the price tag will likely surpass $1 million. In the world of hypercars, where rarity and prestige are paramount, the Mansory Lamborghini Revuelto Initiate is not just a car, it's a statement. For the fortunate few who can afford this level of extravagance, the Mansory Initiate promises an experience that is as exclusive as it is exhilarating. As always, Mansory proves that when it comes to luxury and performance, more is never enough.